Good afternoon, welcome to Listers SEAT Coventry. My name's Paul. I'll be the one carrying out a complimentary help to on your vehicle today. First of all, I'm going to be going around tyres and tread depth. I'm at the front left tyre, and you're looking at 4.43 millimetres, just a touch under 4.5 mil, which is fine, considering 1.6 is illegal in this country, so you're fine. No in or out of wear or tear, nothing out of the ordinary. Right now I'm at the driver's side front tyre, and you're at 5.48, so excellent, just under 5.5 mil. Obviously you've lost a mil on the near side tyre, but I'll put that down to the roundabouts. You're always turning right. Right now, front suspension, no leaking shock absorbers, no broken springs, dry shaft gauges, that's these little rubber gizmos, no leaks, no splits, no ingress of water, which is good. The car is still fairly new and it hasn't done many miles, so I'm not expecting to find anything critical today. Now I'm at the front brake pads, approximately 38% worn. That's 38% worn, so you're nearly halfway, but not yet. Keep going, keep going. Right now, I'm at the rear right tyre, that's your driver's side rear. 4.49, so just a touch under 4.5 mil. Hello, Sean. Excellent. No inner or outer wear or tear. And the rear left tyre, 5.43, so just under 5.5 mil. Excellent. No inner or outer wear or tear. So you've got four good tyres. Now rear suspension, no leaking shock absorbers. Springs, as you can see, and what I'll do is show you at the bottom of the cups because that's where they normally break on the rears, but your car's fine. Alright, the last piece of the jigsaw, sorry. And now I'm at the rear brake pads. Get the camera in here for you to have a better look. Approximately 32% worn on the rear brake pads. Excellent. I'm sure you'll be pleased today to hear your car's got an excellent bit of help. Thank you for using Listers SEAT Coventry. One of our service representatives will be contacting you very shortly. You can also rate this video on the amount of stars being burnt today, like 1 to 5. 5 would be nice. Thank you for watching this short video, and I hope you have a lovely rest of the day.